Tarun Bansalji is the co-founder of Zigzug Technologies, and Zigzug Technologies is a SME neobank which actually caters to various aspects of MSME and the cash flow management as well as credit availability. So Tarun Bansalji is an expert in neobanking and leader in open banking, lending and payments. So with this, Tarunji, I invite you to share your perspective on the MSME neobanks and how this will help MSMEs to answer Gopal Krishna Agarwal's question on how can neobanks, how can digital banks help MSMEs get the relevant credit.
Sure. So, good evening to everybody. Thank you very much, Gopal Krishna ji, Saptasachi ji, for your initial introductory remarks. That were quite intriguing in terms of understanding the perspective from the economic affairs perspective as well as from the Niti Aayog's perspective on how they are thinking. So thank you very much for sharing your views. So if we talk about, let me first start with what neobank is. For everybody to understand what are the characteristics of a typical neobank. So some of the characteristics of a typical neobank is that first they are completely digital. They are online, right? They are 100% digital. There is no physical bank branch that's associated with this model. Second is, since they don't have any physical infrastructure to take care of, they have a low operational cost in terms of running their operations. And third is that these banks enable contextual banking to the customers that they cater to, right? So these are three broad characteristics that we've seen of the neobanks or digital banks across the world. And if we just see the success of these banks, we've seen that, there've been successful stories right across the world on this concept. And the recent success story is in Brazil, Nubank, which recently went to IPO, and that was by the very successful IPO that they have done. So we've seen these successful stories across Europe, across Americas, and India is at the cusp where we are seeing the traction on this sector, be it on the consumer side or on the SME side. Now coming back to, the question which Archana ji asked and Gopal ji asked about how these neobanks or digital banks would help on the MSME credit side. Look, there are, the differentiation that these banks bring onto the table compared to the traditional banks or the incumbent ecosystem is, the first is the customer centricity. They are customer focused, right? And they understand this very well. And the second point that they do is that they segment the market, right? It's not one size fits all approach that neobanks or digital banks have adopted. They go very specific. They just choose a sector and go after the sector and solve a very niche problem for that sector. For example, if I talk about MSME on our side, we are building an SME focused platform where we are solving the problems of the cash flow management for the MSMEs, right? And that's a very big problem in terms of managing their receivables, payables, and the entire cash flow of any MSME ecosystem. So we go very deep, we select the segment, right? And within the MSME ecosystem also, we've got 63 million MSMEs and they don't all behave in the same way, right? So we have to find our segment in this 63 million MSMEs, which we have chosen. And we are solving a very specific problem for this sector. And since we solve this problem, right, we have a lot of data footprints that gets generated on the platform. That helps us to co-create products along with banks or other digital banks. That helps MSME sector to avail financial products. Okay. That becomes the base for the neobanks or digital banks to partner with other banks and NBFCs to co-create, very personalized, customized financial products for the MSME sector. And this is a traditional, a paradigm shift from what we've seen so far in terms of asset-backed lending to cash flow-backed lending. Since we have the data footprints, we have the information about the business finance, and MSMEs always look for the options of getting affordable, cheaper credit at the right time and at right price. Now that would be enabled through these neobanks or digital banks, since they partner with the your banks and NBFCs to co-create these products purely based on the cash flows of the business. That's my take on how SME neobanks or digital banks would address the problem of credit.
Well, thank you, Tarunji.